The D-Link wireless day and night cloud camera, the DCS-933L, is a great product to monitor what matters most to you, your children, home, office, pets or elderly relatives when you're away, via D-Link on your computer or the D-Link app on your smartphone or tablet. And it's really easy to get set up. Inside the box you'll find the camera, power lead, Ethernet cable, installation guide, installation CD, and step-by-step instructions. First, insert the installation CD into your computer and the setup will automatically begin. Select your language and click Start. Read and accept the terms and conditions, then click Next. The on-screen instructions will guide you through what you need to do. Start by plugging in the Ethernet cable, which is provided, into the port on the back of the camera. Next, plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into a LAN port on your router. Click Next and plug in the power connector into the back of the camera, then plug the adapter into a power outlet. Select Next to confirm you've installed the Ethernet cable and power supply. The LED on the back of the camera should be solid green once the camera is ready. If you can see this, select Next and Yes when the prompt appears. The system will then search for your D-Link camera. Once your cloud camera has been detected, select the camera on the left-hand side of the screen and type in the password that you use to access your internet service. When you click Next, your password will automatically be saved. Now choose how you'd like to connect your camera. Select either wired or wireless to give you the greatest flexibility, then select Next. You'll then be asked to enable your D-Link services. D-Link lets you view your cameras anytime, anywhere, over the internet, either via your computer or smartphone or tablet. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to set one up. Enter your details, confirm you've read our terms and conditions, and select Next. Setup is now complete, and you'll see in the small window in your screen what your camera sees. So that you can access D-Link easily, you have the option of adding a shortcut link to your desktop, and it'll also put a bookmark in your browser. Click Finish to confirm setup is complete. This will then take you to the D-Link homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll see your camera streaming live. You can also set up the DCS-933L to send email notifications when it detects sound or movement. Just fill in your details, select the events you'd like to be alerted about, and save at the bottom of the page. Registering on D-Link enables you to monitor your camera from wherever you're using your mobile device. To set up, download the D-Link app from your App Store. Once installed, log in with your D-Link password and it'll automatically show you all your D-Link devices you've installed. Just select the camera you want to view. It's as easy as that. Thanks for watching. D-Link, building networks for people.